Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm about to share with you how to trade Forex in South Africa. As a matter of fact, this is not only for people in South Africa, this might be for almost anyone around the world. Now, do stay tuned and make sure that you pay very close attention and listen to every single word that I'm about to share with you, because you can embark on getting a Forex trading course that I used to sell for $997. Absolutely free. Yes, that's what I said. You can get this Forex trading course that I used to sell for $997 for absolutely free. No money involved. But you have to listen very carefully. There's a few steps which you have to complete in order to get this course. If you do not complete these steps, you will not get this course, unfortunately. Now, then again, the reason I'm giving away this course for free, you might be sitting there asking yourself, Errol, why in the world would you want to give away a course that you used to sell for $997 absolutely free? Then again, I ran into a few issues, a lot of problems, starting your own course, starting your own business, anything that you do in life. There's a lot of laws, taxes, things that you have to be in line with, if I can put it like that. And unfortunately, it was too much of a hassle for me. And then I said, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to give this Forex trading course away for free. That is the type of person who I am. I'm going to share all my knowledge with you. This course, I've actually opened the document for you. This is the entire course. It consists of 12 pages. All the video material in total is about just over 300 minutes worth of watching. So make sure that you do have a lot of internet. If you do not have uncapped, I suggest you get uncapped so that you can watch all of these videos. And let me quickly take you through the course. So before we get to the steps. So firstly, the course, I used to call the course PTAM, standing for Pattern Trading Advancing Man, because that's exactly what you're going to do this is exactly what you're going to do, and this is what I used to do, is pattern trading. I actually still do it. And advancing man, the reason I'm saying advancing man is because as you go along, as you trade, you will continue to advance in your life. Doesn't matter what you do, you will learn every single day. Listen to what I'm saying to you now. You will learn every single day in the Forex market. Promise you 100%, you will learn every single day. You will learn something new. You will never stop learning. So, and then this is the entire course. This is so if you actually bought this course, then this is the document that you would have received, as well as other documents as well. And I will send that to you, and I'll explain to you exactly now how I will be sending that to you. So like I said, make sure you watch this entire video right until the end. So scrolling down, this is the refund policy, everything. So this course, you will see that it's got disclaimers on it. It's got a refund policy on it. There is going to be no refund because you're not paying for this course. And keeping in mind, in my videos, I'm talking about commissions that you will be earning. You will be earning no commissions at all because this is a course that I'm giving away for free now. You are not paying for this course, so please note you are getting this course for free. You won't be earning any commissions when you distribute this course and share this course with anybody else. I highly suggest please do not do that. Rather let somebody watch this video and then go through the entire process instead of you just taking this entire course and passing it on to somebody else. It's the way the human mind works. That's the way you work. When you get something and you haven't actually done, even if it's 3 simple steps that you have to complete, if you haven't even done that, you will not even put in the work of watching the videos in order to become a successful Forex trader. So this course is as is. Preface, there's all the YouTube links, all the bullet points. I'm going to take you quickly through this. All the YouTube links are in that, all the way down, all the modules. I'm scrolling fast because I don't want you to take the links. I want you to go through all the steps. So the last link, module 14, that's the very last module 14, bonus module. There's the link. It's fine. When you get this document, you will be able to click on the links, and in any case, you will receive a PDF document. So how do you go about this? How do you get my course for absolutely free? So firstly, let's scroll down all the way. Let me quickly go down back to Facebook. So on my Facebook fan page. So firstly, in the description below this video, let me quickly open up any YouTube video. I just want to show you any random YouTube video. And then I want to show you what I'm talking about when I say the YouTube description, because I get so many people who ask me things and then, it's the most simplest thing, but it's fine. Let me show you, and then you know how to complete this. Let me pause this video. So what I mean by the description, directly underneath this video, it says there, this is the guy's name, Freddy Modern Kung Fu. This is his channel. So here it says show more. At the time of you watching this video, it might have changed the YouTube interface, but for now, directly underneath the video, it's usually description. On your phone, you will have to like click on a little arrow or something to open up the description. On the PC, it says show more. So in the description, show more. Underneath this YouTube video of mine, I will have a link in there for you to click on, which will bring you back to this exact post that I'm about to share with you. So on this post, once you've clicked that link, so step 1 on this YouTube video is to click that link below this video, which will bring you to my Facebook fan page. So once you've clicked that link, this is the post. It says, would you like an entire Forex trading course I used to sell for $997 for free? Yes, no money. Then all you have to do is read through this. You have to complete these steps. It's very important that once you're on this post, you have to complete these steps. So step 1, if you're on the post and you haven't watched the video, then it will say step 1, if you have not watched the YouTube video, then do so right now and make sure you watch the entire video, as there are some things you have to complete first before you continue to step 2. Here is the link, and then I will post this link of this video directly next to it where it says here's the link. Then you'll click that link and then you will watch the video. If you have watched the video, and then from here you will be directed to the Facebook fan page, then continue to step 2. So step 2 is you have to share this YouTube video. So while watching this video, you have to share this video. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, on email, wherever you want to share it, just share this video. So that's for the post. You have to share this video. Step 3 is you have to share the Facebook post. I'm going to have a look at all these things. You have to share the Facebook post. Step 4, comment below this post if you're interested in getting the course for free. Use the following words: Forex Trading, and then you continue along. And then once you've completed all the steps, then I will basically get in contact with you, because step 4 is you have to comment below the Forex Trading course. Once you've commented below the Forex Trading course, I'll then go onto your profile. I will send you a personal message. I'll get your email address from you, and I will send you the entire Forex Trading course over email. Okay, so I'll send you the entire Forex Trading course over email. So that is all the steps you have to complete while you are on the Forex Trading Facebook post. Now on the video, the steps for the video in order for you to get the Forex Trading course for free. So you have to complete everything on this video, and you have to complete everything on the Facebook post as well. So on the video, firstly, I would like for you to share this video that you're watching right now. Share this video. Secondly, there's only 2 steps. Actually 3 steps, 3 steps on the YouTube video. So firstly, you have to share this video. It's very simple, it's easy. Somewhere below this video, there will be a share button or something. You can share it anywhere. Step 2, give this video a like. And step 3, comment below this video saying Forex trading or how to trade Forex in South Africa, any comment that you would like to comment, or just saying, or maybe you can leave a comment saying, I've watched the video, thank you very much, I'm on my way to the Facebook URL. That's all. So like I said, those are the 3 steps. 1 is you have to share this video. Step 2, you have to like this video. Step 3 is you have to comment below this video. Now, in order to get to the Facebook post, you have to go into the description, click the link. I will clearly mark it for you. I'll say Facebook fan page URL, then I'll put the URL right next to it. Then you go to the Facebook post, complete all the steps on the Facebook post. Once you've completed all the steps of the video, and then after that, I will then get in contact with you over email, and I'll send you the entire course for free. And that is it. So, like I said, once again, I love helping people. I love sharing my ideas and things with you as an individual. So once you've watched the course and you would like to make a donation, feel free, contact me on Facebook. I'm not saying you have to. This is entirely up to you. If you feel that you gained a lot of knowledge from our course and you've actually and you feel that you would like to reimburse me in some way, you would like to provide me with some sort of money or anything, feel free. What I'll do is get in contact with me. I'll send you it's a PayPal donation link, and you can make any donation, whether it be $1, $1, $2, $5, $10, anything. It does not matter. Okay, so Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this entire video. I know this course has been going for quite a few minutes. It's been going for 10 minutes, or this video, sorry, been going for 10 minutes. But once again, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this entire video. Complete all the steps on the video and the Facebook fan page, and I will send you the entire Forex trading course for free. So I wish you all the best on your Forex trading journey, and I hope you become a huge success in the Forex world. In the meantime, send me your success story. You can send me a video, you can send me a message, you can send me an email. Either way, saying thank you very much, send me your success story. Now, after you've done this and you feel that Forex trading is not for you, Forex trading is not for you. I'm still doing Forex trading. Forex trading is more of an investing thing for me. And then I'll also do online marketing, basically building a business online. I've been doing that for quite some time, about 3 years, 4 years now, and that's been going very well for me. I'm very happy with it. I've wasted a lot of money as well online, not with the specific company that I'm with, but with other companies. And to be honest, I've wasted thousands of dollars. In South Africa, I took out a loan for about 90,000 Rand, which directly after that the company closed down, so I had to repay all of that, and I've done so. I've paid that entire account of just over 90,000 Rand. I owe nothing, nobody. I owe nobody, nothing, no more. So I've been with this company for 2 years, almost 3 years now. Very happy with them. So that again, if you would like to know how to make money online, not Forex trading, online, then you will see on my Facebook post, there's a link that says www.growwitherrol.com. Feel free, check out that link, and that is for you in order to make money online. So once again, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this entire video. I wish you all the best, and I will see you in my future videos. Enjoy.